To begin your slab creation, you actually start with a paper stencil. So you're going to measure 4 inches out. I'm going to demonstrate this so you guys are good to go. And then I fold the paper just to make it easier. To make it work, you need to make sure all of it's parallel to each other. So like that part's together, just so it's easier to draw the line. And so you're going to draw 5-inch length there, just like that. And then draw those 4 inches across. So now I marked 5 inches so it would be exactly across from each other. So now you have a container that is 5 by 4. This is going to be the front of your container and the back. So you'll be using this twice. Now that we have the front and back, we're going to focus on the other sides of the container. So we have paper stencils for that as well. Now some of you will be like, why do I have to draw a paper stencil? Why can't I just draw on the clay? This just creates more accuracy, and a lot of people use this, and you can reuse it and reuse it. So you can make like 10 containers exactly the same, and it's just a lot faster than having to draw the clay perfectly. So now I am going to draw the sides. So I'm going to measure 2 inches. Measure 2 inches, and then I'm just going to connect those 2 lines. So now I have a 2 by 5, which is going to be the sides of the container. Now we got the front, we got the back, the sides. So now we need to create the top here. So I'm measuring 1 inch down. Two inches there. And make sure to measure both sides. So I measured the top at 2 inches and the bottom at 2 inches to make sure the line is straight. So don't forget that. So I have 1 inch there. Now I'm going to do the inch on the other side, just like I said, just to make sure that the lines are straight. And I connect them. So this is going to be the top, and I actually write this wrong. This is 1 by 2 inches. So I don't know why I put 1 by 5, but that's okay. I'm also going to use this side piece as the bottom, and the bottom is 2 inch by 4. So I'm just going to take off 1 inch after I've drawn out the sides so I can just reuse it. So it'll be really easy. And that is how you create it on your paper, and now we're going to cut it out. Obviously we're cutting them out so then we can actually utilize them, and I want you to just see what they look like. So I'd already cut out the front and back piece. Now there's the side piece and the top piece here. I'm just folding it for better accuracy because I didn't want to cut it right away. So there's that little piece there. It's going to be the top. Voila! And there we go. We have all of our paper stencils. And just to give you an idea, like that's how it works. It literally is going to look like your container if you put them all together. Boop, boop. And here we go. You're ready to go.